Hey everyone, welcome back to SamResolve. Today we're going to talk about files and formats that DaVinci Resolve can handle or ingest, if you will. We're going to jump straight into the video. Let's go. So DaVinci Resolve can handle most video formats from your phone, DSLRs, and also video files from the top of the industry, cinema cameras. But if you happen to download a random video from the internet, for example, YouTube, hey Sam, Resolve won't import my videos. And one thing though, out of all the video formats that Resolve can handle, there's also file name. And Resolve really don't like emojis. Yes, you can import JPEG or PNG file of emojis, but emoji as text, nah, Resolves hate those. Just remove the emoji from the file name or rename it to simple text. Quote a hey brother. It should work. Now, speaking of JPEG and PNGs, Resolve can handle most image files, including Photoshop files. Where's my logo again? So this is my channel's logo, and it's a Photoshop file. Dropping into media pool, no problem. See that Photoshop? Not though, only Photoshop files. All other Adobe's AI file or WAV files like bitmap doesn't work. Let me show you what's a bitmap. Shot on film. So this is a bitmap file. It's a BMP file, bitmap. It's actually a raw file that made out of pixels. For me, it doesn't import. Look at my doggo, so cute.
Hey guys, Sam for the future right here. So as I was editing this video right here, Resolve just dropped version 20 of the software. So right now, apparently when you import a Photoshop file, the layers in the Photoshop comes with it. You can tweak it, you can use it, you can, you know, make use of all the other layers. So this is really great news, and it just opened up a whole new level of workflow, and it makes us editors like more better efficiency with all the files. So yeah, guys, Resolve 20 is right here, and I'll talk about Resolve 20 in my future videos. So yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned.
The most common file that we usually work with, mostly MP3s or WAV files. Let's say if you went to a digital library and download the music, right here I'm using Epidemic Sound. You can pick and choose what kind of format that you want when you download. So you can pick any that you desire because both files works anyway. So if you're just starting to learn DaVinci Resolve, just know that Resolve supports most of the common files format out there, so you can play around Resolve and feel nice. So that's it for the video, guys. So if you guys like this video, make sure you check this video out where I talk about how to organize your Resolve files, creating beans, and make sure that you can edit smoothly in your Resolve journey. So guys, I hope to see you in the next video. And as always, take care.
Hey guys, so if you guys are interested about the in-depth of what kinds of different file format that Resolve can handle, I'll put a link in the description down below. It's a file where it kind of lists all the formats that Resolve can handle. So if you guys are interested, just download them in the description. It's free. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.